Hi students, welcome to your ELGA 6 revision class. Today we are going to revise Unit 5, Week 1 and 2. In this unit, we will revise all 5 components: phonics, whole words, reading and listening comprehension, grammar, writing and speaking expression. Before we start, I want all of you to be ready with your student reader, workbook, notebook and pencil eraser. For this, you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shall we start? In phonics, we will revise vowel digraphs. You know what are vowel digraphs? When two letters come together where at least one is a vowel, they create same sound. That is known as vowel digraphs. When two letters come together where at least one is a vowel, they create same sound. That is known as vowel digraphs. Today we will revise 3 vowel digraphs: IE, EI, EY. They all create same sound, E.
Sound. The new sound is E. I-E, E. E as in field. E as in chief. E as in peace. E as in thief. E-I-E. E as in receive. E as in ceiling. E-Y-E. E as in key. E as in hockey. E as in donkey. E as in monkey.
Now students, we will revise 3 more vowel digraphs. That is Y, IE, IGH. They also create same sound, I.
I. Y. I. I as in cry. I as in dry. I as in July. I as in shy. I-E-I. I as in pie. I as in tie. I as in cried. I as in dried. I-G-H. I. I as in thigh. I as in light. I as in flight. I as in fight.
Now student, open your SR 22 for whole words. First, we will practice whole words from previous levels. First one is lived. Repeat after me. Lived. With. With. Repeat after me. With. Want. Want. Repeat after me. Want. Return. Repeat after me. Return. Them. Repeat after me. Them. There. Repeat after me. There. Reached. Repeat after me. Reached. Went. went. Repeat after me. Went. Again. Again. Repeat after me. Again. Time. Time. Repeat after me. Time. All. All. Repeat after me. All. Saw. Repeat after me. Saw. Made. Made. Repeat after me. Made. Should. Should. Repeat after me. Should. Many. Many. Repeat after me. Many. Now some new whole words. First one is leaving. Leaving. Repeat after me. Leaving. Stayed. Stayed. Repeat after me. Stayed. Find. Find. Repeat after me. Find. Then. Then. Repeat after me. Then. Real. Real. Repeat after me. Real. Believes. Believes. Repeat after me. Believes. Truth. Truth. Repeat after me. Truth. Carefully. Carefully. Repeat after me. Carefully. Thought. Thought. Repeat after me. Thought. Tried. Tried. Repeat after me. Tried. These are your whole words. In whole words, we do not follow letter sounds. Okay? Our next component is reading and listening comprehension. In this, first we will understand folktales and fables. Folktales means a story told by the folk people. Folk means ordinary or common people. Okay, in folktales, animals or strange creatures as characters. It teaches us a lesson that we can use in our life. It also teaches us a moral. What is good behavior? It also tells us the creature of a place. It also tells us the culture of a place, how people are, how they live. And fables. Fables are also short stories, usually with animals as characters, conveying a moral. So, folktales and fables are the short stories with moral that our grandparents or teachers tells us. They read from the old books. Now, we will revise how to make prediction about a story. You must have heard people saying that it will rain in some time. So, how do they know that it will rain? Because they see strong winds blowing or they see the sky turning black. This is called making a prediction. Prediction means guessing what will happen next by looking at the clues and connecting it what we already know. Okay? Making prediction means guessing what will happen next in the story. To make predictions, we need to follow 3 steps. Step 1. Before reading, we have to look at the title and the picture. Okay, before we start the reading, we have to look at the title and the picture. Step 2. During reading, stop. guess what will happen next. Okay, after reading 2-3 pages, we have to stop and guessing what will happen next. Step 3. After reading, see if your prediction was right or wrong. If your prediction was right or wrong. Okay. Now, we will revise how to guess the meaning of the difficult words or finding meaning of new words. So, we can find the meaning of new words by using clues from the story. For this, we need to follow 4 steps. Step 1. Look at the picture. First of all, we need to look at the picture. Step 2. Read the sentence again. We need to read the sentence again. Step 3. Connect it what you already know. We need to connect what we already know about that thing. Step 4. Guess the meaning. So here example is given. Wrapped. Wrapped. First of all, we need to look at the picture. Here is a paper. Okay. Step 2. Read the sentence again. Get wind and fire wrapped in a paper. Wrapped in a paper. Step 3. Connected with what you already know. How do you pack the gift? How do you pack the gift? We pack the gift in a paper. Okay. So, the means of wrapped means to pack something in a piece of paper. To pack something in a piece of paper. Like this, we can guess the meaning of the difficult words or new words. Okay. Now students, in grammar, we will revise quantity words. Quantity words tells us how much and how many of something is there. Quantity words tells us quantity of something. How much or how many. Quantity words are much, little, some, few, many. These are quantity words. Okay, used with what type of noun? Nouns are 2 types, uncountable nouns and countable nouns. You know what are nouns? Noun is a name of a person, place or thing. Much, little, some used with uncountable nouns like with milk or water. So here is example. Example first. There is little milk left in the jug. We cannot count the milk. That is why it's uncountable noun. Okay. There is little milk left in the jug. Next. How much jam have you put? How much? We cannot count. 1, 2, 3 jam. Okay. How much jam have you put? Next. Please give me some water. Please give me some water. Okay, next. Few, many, some. These words used with countable nouns. Okay. Countable nouns are that we can count. So, there are a few books on the table. So, we can count 1, 2, 3 books like this. Okay. It may be 4, it may be 2. Like this, we can count the books. Next, how many pens do you need? Pen also we can count. Next, I have some notes in my wallet. Okay. So, these are your quantity words. Now students, in writing and speaking expressions, we will revise story elements. As you know, every story has 5 elements. Setting, talking characters, oh, a problem, resolving the problem, K. A solution. So setting means where is the story taking place. Means you have to write name of the place. Okay. Talking characters means who is in the story. Person, animals. Oh, a problem. Problem means what was the problem comes in the story. Okay. R. R means resolving the problems. What did the character do to solve the problem? What did they do to solve the problem? A solution. Solution. What was the solution of the problem? These are the 5 elements of the story. Now student, we will revise how to edit and improve your writing. So for this, we need to follow CUP strategy. CUPS. C stands for capital letters. U. Use sentence structures to write sentences. P. Put one finger space between the words. S. Spellings are all correct. So first one, C. Capital letters at the beginning of the sentence. Here is example. This is my mother. So T is capital in beginning. For proper nouns. For proper nouns we also use capital letter. We went to Delhi. In Delhi T is capital. For the letter I. She says I am her friend. So here I is capital. Second, Q. Use sentences structure to write sentences. So every story has 3 parts. Beginning, middle, end. So we can write like this. Once or first for beginning. Then after for middle. Finally at last for end part. Okay. Step 3. P. Put one finger space between the words. We need to put one finger space between the words like this. Step 4. S. Spellings are all correct. She is my mother. So we have to keep in mind our spelling is correct. So like this we can improve and enhance our writing. Thank you students for attending this class.